Hello students, hope you are doing well. So in today's video lecture we will discuss the multiple choice questions especially for your Olympiad examination for science. Okay, so you can see here this is the same soft copy that you have got. So we will discuss few important questions regarding this soft copy with proper explanations. All the questions will be multiple choice types. Okay, so in each video we will cover one chapter. Okay, so you can see here that total 8 chapters are there. So today we are going to start with chapter 1. You can see here chapter 1 is the chapter name is animal. Okay, so let us start with the questions. Okay, so I will mark here. So first question is there, you can see here, this is the first question, that a baby of eggs, okay, breathes through its gills, whereas adult eggs breathes through its lungs on land. So X could be, what could be X? Okay, so 4 options are there. Okay, so definitely your answer will be, or you can go with option number D, which is frog. Okay, why frog? Because a baby frog called tadpole, okay, which breathes through its gills as it lives in water, and an adult frog breathes through its lungs on land. Okay, so adult frog can also breathe through its moist skin. Okay, so you can definitely go for option number D. Okay, now let us move to question number 2. I hope first question is clear. Now let us move to question number 2. Question number 2 says that which among the following animals camouflages itself in the similar way as the polar bear? Okay, now you can see here 4 pictures are there. So among these 4 pictures, your proper answer will be option number B. Okay, because polar bear has white fur that helps it to blend with the white snowy background. Similarly, chameleon changes its color to blend with its surroundings. Okay, basically we have to find out the similarities here. Okay, next one, see that stonefish, stick insects and leaf insects do not change their color. Okay, so definitely you can go with option B. Now they mimic inanimate objects such as extent, they do look alike. Okay, so these are the similarities which you can find with the polar bear also. Okay, now question number 3. Now students, the point is that you can find out similar types of multiple choice questions in your Olympiad examinations. So you should follow these type of questions properly. Okay, question number 3 says that select the odd one out on the basis of body coverings. Okay, so if you found the body coverings, then definitely you can go with option number C. Why option number C? Because ant has outer body coverings of, you can say, cuticles with snake, lizard and fish have scales as body coverings. Okay, so only ant have cuticle. Okay, while snake, lizards and fish, they have scales, okay, on the body covering. So it is very easy, we can easily separate these things. Okay, so option number C is the right answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says that Meenakshi saw a bird, okay, working and, you can say, scratching in the soil for worms and seeds. Now which kind of food would the bird have? Okay, now you can find out, or you have to find out, that what are the kind of food that the bird have. Okay, so similarly you can find out that option number B is the suitable if it is searching on, you can say, soil. Okay, so definitely this kind of, you can say, leg the bird should have. Okay, okay, okay. Now next thing, question number 5. Question number 5 says that what are the adaptations for flight in birds? Okay, what are the adaptations? Question number 1 says that hollow bones to reduce body mass. Option number 2 says that feathers covering their body. Option 3 says that a streamlined body with the lungs, urinary bladder, or option number 4 says that wings with powerful muscles. Now few options. Now read the options properly. Option A says that only one. Option B says that 1, 2, 3. Option C says that 1, 2 and 4, and option D says that 1, 3, 2, 3 and 4. That means all the options. Okay. So in this case, students, you have to go through the options very properly. Okay. Only then you can answer the questions. So I am telling you the right answer. What should be the right answers? Right answer should be option number C. Why option number C? Because birds have streamlined body for flying, but they do not have urinary bladder to reduce their weight during flight. Okay, so only one option we can cut out. Okay, and the other options we can go through it. Okay, next one, question number 6. Question number 6 says that refer to the given figure. So two figures are there. First one is, you can say, a whale, and second one is a shark. Okay, now the question is that which one of these statements is correct regarding the way in which of these animals is different from the other. Okay, so see, options are there. Options A says that one has to come to the water surface to breathe. Second, one needs oxygen to live. Third one, the body of one is adapted for moving through the water. And last one is one has a backbone. So which one is correct? Question number 6, definitely option A. One has to come to the water surface to breathe. Okay. So you have seen these things on the televisions also. Okay. Now let us move to the question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Let us move. Okay, just wait for a second. Yeah. Okay, so question number 7. Question number 7 says that, just have a look, just wait for a second. Okay, so let me take the brush. Okay, so question number 7 says that is a carnivore. It has sharp and pointed dash. So definitely, students, you have already read about carnivorous, omnivorous, all these things. So question number 7, the answer should be, the tiger has a sharp and pointed canines to tear the flesh of its prey. So definitely your options, or you can go with option number C. Okay, the tiger with canines. Okay, similarly, question number 8 says that which of the following statements is correct? That Arctic tern travels from its breathing ground, okay, in Antarctic to Arctic in summer. Option 2 says that monarch butterflies travel from Canada to Mexico during the winter season. Option 3 says that salmon swim long distance to reach sea to lay eggs. Or option number 4 says that Siberian, you can say, cranes come to India during winter. So which options you can go for? So question number 8, you can go for option number B. Okay, that 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 means what? That Arctic tern, they travels from their breeding grounds in Arctic to the Antarctic in winter. It goes back during summer, and salmons live in the sea. They swim long distance to reach the river to lay eggs. Okay. Okay, now let us move to question number 9. Question number 9 says that select the animal that is found in the similar habitat as the animal shown here. So one picture is there, that kangaroo rat. Okay, so you have to find out which has the same type of habitat or similar habitat. So you can go for both kangaroo rat and camel are found in the deserts. Okay, so you can go for camel. Okay, because they have same types of habitat. Question number 10 says that study the given Venn diagram carefully. Which alphabet represents the tadpole? Okay, you can see here. So you can if you find out this Venn diagram properly, so you will find out one option is there, breathe through lungs. One option is there, breathe through screen. One option is there, breathe through gills. So you can go for the option B. Okay, why B? because in the case of tadpole, okay, in the case of tadpole, they breathe through grills. Okay, that means the R portion. Okay, sorry, it is option A, the R portion. Okay, uh, I just try to mark it. You can see this R portion. Okay, you can go for this R portion. Okay. Okay, now option number 11, let us move to option number 11, that select the animal pair who have similar breathing mechanisms. Okay, so who have similar breathing mechanisms? You can say bat or fish, turtle or lizards, butterfly or mouse, earthworm or cockroach. Okay, so definitely you can go for B, because both the turtle and the lizard, they have lungs to breathe. Okay, so you can go for option B. Okay, now question number 12, select the correct option among the following. Okay, so what are the followings? I'm reading that you can say eels, they migrate to freshwater river to lay eggs. Arctic them travels the longest distance among the migratory birds. Whales travels to cold water for reproduction and warmer water for feeding. Or the butterflies have short lifespan, thus they do not migrate. So which one is correct? You have to choose the correct option among the following. So the correct option should be option number B. Okay, option number B, because eels migrate to sea to lay eggs. Okay, whales travel to cold water for feeding and warmer water for reproduction, and some butterflies migrate from one place to another. Okay, now option number 13, option number 13 is there, which of the following is correct regarding the animals shown is here. You can see here one animal is there in the picture. This picture, if you find out, you will see one animal, and few points are there, that it reproduces by laying eggs, it is an omnivore, it breathes through its skin and blowholes, or none of this. So definitely you can go for option number B, it is an omnivore or omnivorous. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the incorrect option regarding X, Y, and Z. So you have to choose the incorrect option. Okay, so your incorrect option, if you go through this Venn diagram properly, then you can find out that the incorrect option should be option number D, all of this, because all the options are not correct. So option number D, all of this should be incorrect option. Okay. Question number 15, read the following alphabets of animals for grassland habitat. Okay, option 1 is there, they have strong claws and they can be withdrawn inside their toes, or they have eyes on the sides of their heads, or they have strong flat hind teeth for chewing, they move in herds, or they have eyes in front of their faces. So you have to select the option that correctly categorizes the given adaptations for prey and predator of these animals. So your correct option should be, you can easily go for, you can see here, let me tell you that it is given here, you can see here it is given that option question number 15, this prey and predator is there. For prey you can say 1 3 5, predator 3 4. So we have already discussed the statements, so according to the statements you have to find out which option is correct. So here I am telling the correct option. The correct option is that you can say for question number 15. Okay, question number 15, the correct option is that C. Okay, so if you find out C, you can find out that for prey and predators, these are the correct options. We have already discussed the statements. To read the statements again and again, you can easily find out that why C is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 16, just have a look. Question number 16 says that study the given table. There is a table where the animals, three different kinds of animals are there, P, Q and R, and whether they breathe through skin, whether they breathe through, whether they are herbivorous, whether they are omnivorous, whether they breathe through spiracles, all the things are given. So which one of these animals is cockroach and frog respectively? You have to choose. So in that case, see, cockroach breathes through spiracles, and it is an omnivore, so it should be animal P. Okay, and in the next case, frog is an animal that breathes through screen and it is a carnivore, that means Q. So option P and Q, that means option C should be the correct one. Okay, now see, there is a direction for question number 17 to 19. The direction is that you can see here that refer to the given graph which shows changes in temperature at two places X and Y over the year and answer the following question. So you can see here that let me show you properly. You can see here that in this graph, this is for X, the upper, this graph is for X and this graph is for Y. Now question number 17 says that the animal found at place X should be having adaptations for which. So if you go through the graph properly, then you should go for option number A, that reduced sweating. Okay, because the graph shows that place X has a temperature in the range of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So definitely if there is a temperature 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, definitely it must be a hot and dry place. So we have to reduce our sweating. Okay, question number 18 says that the animals living at Y should be having adaptations like what? So the answer of question number 18 should be B. Okay, B means thick layer of fur. Okay, why thick layer of fur? Because the graph shows that the place Y has a colder temperature. So definitely to protect themselves, the animal needs a thick layer of fur. Question number 19 says that select the options that correctly identifies the animals that make live of these places. You can see that rattlesnake is there, Arctic here, rattlesnake, okay, penguin, or in the case of Y column, it is the scorpion, snowy owl, okay, camels, walrus, all these things are there. So your correct option should be option number C. Okay, that rattlesnake or walrus. Okay, because rattlesnake is a desert animal while walrus is found in cold and polar habitats. Okay, so these options correctly identifies the animals. Okay, one is X, one you can call it that one is that X region and one is other is Y region. Now number 20, this is the last question, that animal X hatches from eggs at a place P and goes to Q to spend its life. When reproduction time comes, it goes back to P, lays eggs and then dies. So select the option that correctly identifies X, P and Q. So definitely if you go for these options, then your option C will be correct, because in the case of X region, salmon will be your correct answer. In the case of P region, you can say river is the correct answer. And in the case of Q region, because salmon fish spends its entire life in river or fresh water, then swims up to the sea to spend its life. Now when it migrates, it's returned to the river to spawn or lay eggs. Now after spawning, all Pacific salmons and most Atlantic salmons die. Okay, so this should be your proper answers. Now students, I have discussed all the answers. Now these you can say, let me tell you that these, okay, these are your OMR sheet type structure. So here you can fill up the correct options and just think, or you have your soft copy with you, so just fill these things or just tick the correct options and then watch this video to tally your options with the answers. Okay, so with these students you can prepare yourself for the Olympiad exam. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, in the next video we will cover another chapter, and definitely follow these questions because this type of questions will come in your Olympiad class 5 science Olympiad exam. So that's all for this video students. We will meet on a new chapter in our next video. Okay, thank you all.